Welcome to Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Today we're going to walk you through what a faucet installation looks like and what you can expect when you schedule one with us. First, when you choose Rainforest Plumbing and Air, you can expect top quality faucets and fixtures. We only use the best brands to ensure your satisfaction. Now, let's get started with the installation. Our skilled technicians will start by turning off the water supply to your existing faucet. Next, we'll carefully remove your old faucet. This may require some tools and expertise to ensure it's done correctly. Now, it's time to introduce your brand new faucet. We'll unbox it and inspect it to make sure everything is perfect. Our technicians are highly trained and skilled in faucet installations. They'll use the right tools and techniques to ensure a secure and leak-free installation. We'll carefully attach the new faucet to your sink or countertop, making sure it's level and secure. Once the faucet is in place, we'll connect the water supply lines. This is a crucial step to ensure your faucet functions perfectly. Now comes the moment of truth. We'll turn on the water supply and check for any leaks. Before we leave, we'll clean up any mess we've made during the installation. Your space will be as clean as when we arrived. And there you have it, a brand new, professionally installed faucet by Rainforest Plumbing and Air. We're dedicated to providing you with exceptional service and top quality products. If you ever need plumbing or HVAC services in the Phoenix metro area, remember, we're just a call away. Your satisfaction is our guarantee.